Welcome to this short tutorial for the exciting one-click deployment option of Apache Spark applications in dashDB Local. In this edition of the video tutorial series, I'm showing you this slick function to easily operationalize your Spark-based analytics and machine learning logic for hosting and to be run in dashDB Local. We use again the same notebook container for dashDB that we already have seen in previous video demos, and also the same notebook that we've seen there. And now we want to transform this notebook into a Spark application that we can deploy and host for execution in dashDB Local for an unattended execution. First, we flag each cell that we do not want to be part of the Spark application using a special command. This should be done for those cells that contain interactive elements, visualizations, or special Jupyter Magic elements, as we can see it also here. And now we are already ready to select File, Deploy As, and deploy to dashDB-Spark. This does everything for us automatically. It transforms the notebook code into code that can be compiled into Spark applications. It compiles the application, it packages it up, and it deploys it into dashDB. When this is done, we get a nice printout with information how we can call it via a REST API using this curl command. But you can also call the same application through store procedure, the Spark submit store procedure, or through the Spark submit command line tool. Check out the other video tutorials that show you more details about these options. I want to show you two other interesting menu options here. One is about looking at the code that is generated for compilation. So you can also go here to download as Scala class in browser. Here you can see the source code that is transformed for compilation, and for instance you find all of those text cells here as comments so that some context is preserved for you also in the source code. The next option allows you to export your notebook as an integrated Scala development package. That is a perfect starter for Spark application developers to further evolve the Spark application. The package contains tools and scripts, for instance, to run a build of the exported logic as is, or to upload the build result into dashDB Local, or to do a test call of your deployed Spark application. As you could see in this short demo, it is very easy with dashDB Local to not only create and design your Spark-based analytics with notebooks, but to also deploy this logic very quickly into applications running in dashDB Local. Check out the other video tutorials about dashDB and all the various options of using and interacting with Apache Spark.